We're in Madrid. In this video, we're exploring the best of Madrid. We'll check out the iconic Plaza Mayor, indulge in fresh food at the Mercado San Miguel, enjoy stunning views and delicious meals at Hotel Rio Plaza, and wander through the massive Retiro Park, plus so much more. My name is Chris Launder, and if you're new here, we create travel content from our adventures around the world. Welcome back, returning viewers. Let's dive into the video and discover the magic of Madrid. Our journey began with an Avianca business class flight from Bogota, Colombia, featuring comfortable beds that made our 9.5-hour trip a breeze.
Flying business class. Les, what do you think? She's happy.
After settling into our accommodations, we hit the ground running, exploring the city and seeking out delectable dining experiences.
¿Qué es queso?
Queso con jamón.
Ah, ham and cheese croquetas.
So we're staying here in city center. We can walk to a lot of locations, and just getting out here this morning. Gonna go check out the area and go try to find a bite to eat somewhere.
Our first few days were a culinary delight. We indulge in authentic Mediterranean cuisine,
Paella de mariscos.
Shrimp soup, chorizo, and more.
Les, what is this?
Pimientos de padrón.
Pimientos de padrón y croquetas.
Now it's time to immerse ourselves in the city's vibrant culture and discover Madrid.
Hey, Travel Vida fam. I am coming at you here from Madrid, Spain. And of course, I'm here with my love, Leslie. And I'm here with my good friend, Jeremy, who works with us. Jeremy is going to take us around. He's been nice enough to set up a couple tours for us. So, Jeremy, where are we going today?
So today the plan is to go to Plaza Mayor first. We're going to visit some churches, Jardines de Sabatini, which is very famous. And finally, we're going to stop at Rio Hotel to have some drinks and stuff. So I hope you enjoy, guys.
Awesome. And Jeremy, you're obviously from Lima, Peru. How long have you been here in Madrid, and what do you think of Madrid?
It's going to be a year now in May, and the reason I stayed is because I love it. I mean, I love the streets, the people, the views, and I'm close to everything, all the countries in Europe. So it's pretty nice. Yeah, loved it here.
Well, we're excited. We're going to bring you guys some great content, I believe, from Madrid, Spain. And so hopefully you'll come along for the ride, and let's go check it out. All right, we are here in Plaza de Mayor. Jeremy, take it away. Give us some tidbits.
Plaza Mayor of Madrid, also known as Plaza del Arrabal. It was where the King's Court was located. And if you can see, like right in there, you have the statue of King Philip the VIII. Yeah, let's go. You have there in his horse. He's actually the son of the one who ordered to build this plaza. Alright guys, so we're here now in Mercado San Miguel, pretty well-known market here in the heart of Madrid. You have a lot of meat places, pizza places, also drinks here, seafood. So come on, let's go.
Over a century has passed since the Mercado de San Miguel first opened its doors as a traditional food market. Today, this historic building has evolved into one of the world's premier gastronomic markets, offering visitors a culinary journey to the diverse flavors and essence of every region of Spain.
They got the meats.
It's one of the best markets I've encountered in Europe. Here you can find everything from the most exquisite Iberian ham to the freshest, most delicious produce from across Spain.
Salmon galore. We're gonna have to try some of this later.
And if you're like us, just passing through and don't have a kitchen, you can easily grab a prepared meal made with fresh ingredients.
Wow, that place made me really hungry.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
It's a lot of food, very crowded, and it's only Friday, man. Imagine tomorrow and Sunday.
Yeah, I mean, this is in the middle of the day here on Friday, so I can't imagine what this place is like tomorrow and Sunday. All right, Jeremy, so where are we?
So here we are at Almudena Church, in Spanish, Catedral de Almudena. This was originally built by King Alfonso VII, and it's actually where his wife's remains, Maria de Orleans, are buried since the year 2000. So let's go check it out.
One of the coolest things about the Cathedral de Almudena is its location. It's right next to the Royal Palace, so you can easily visit both in one day.
So this is the Royal Palace, the official residence of the king. They don't actually live here though, they use it only for ceremony. And actually the church next to it, the one we were just in, Catedral de Almudena, was asked to be built by the queen strategically there. Yeah.
I was hyped to fly my drone and get some great shots, but the cops shut me down.
Well, it's not drone footage. This is a nice view.
Alright guys, so we're here at Jardines de Sabatini, named after a famous architect, Francesco Sabatini, who was a very renowned architect during the Spanish monarchy.
These gardens are located right behind the Royal Palace and offer a peaceful escape from the bustling city. A beautiful garden with a symmetrical layout featuring manicured hedges, fountains, and statues. And the best part, you can get stunning views of the Royal Palace right from the gardens.
So Jeremy, you want to tell us a little bit about this place?
Yes, this is famous Plaza España. It was actually created to welcome people, working people, as a result of the industrialization. And right there we can see the statue of famous writer Miguel de Cervantes, the one who wrote the Quijote. And if you take a look, right there we have the Rio Hotel, very famous here in Peru, in Madrid.
In Madrid, yeah. I know, you're a little homesick, right?
Man.
He misses real ceviche too. So up there at the Rui Hotel, Rui, I should know this. I'm in the travel industry. They have a rooftop bar, so we're gonna have some drinks and cocktails over there later. We're doing construction.
Plaza España is one of the biggest squares in Madrid. This place is a total vibe with its beautiful architecture and bustling atmosphere. You'll find towering skyscrapers like España building and the iconic Torre de Madrid. And if you're a movie buff, you might recognize it from the James Bond film Spectra.
All right, so we're now here at the Bob Temple. It's an dedication from Egypt, actually given from Egypt to Spain because they helped save the Nubia temples. So we're gonna go there. There are actually 4 of them in the world, one in the US, Italy, Netherlands, and one right here in Spain. You can see all Egypt-like.
All right, so Rio Hotel, to go to the rooftop 360, it is €5 per person.
One of Madrid's tallest skyscrapers, the hotel offers breathtaking panoramic views of the city. You're just steps away from Plaza España, Gran Via, and other major attractions.
Up we go. All right, sangria. Les is listo. She's ready. Les, what do you have?
Tortilla de papa.
Ooh, a little anchovy, white anchovies. Nice.
The hotel's rooftop terrace is a must visit, featuring a swimming pool, sun loungers, and a bar. It's the perfect spot to relax, soak up the sun, and enjoy breathtaking views of the city skyline. Indulge in a variety of culinary delights at the hotel's restaurant, serving delicious international local cuisine. Enjoy a refreshing drink or cocktails at the Sky Bar, where you can savor panoramic views of Madrid. After a quick bite to eat and soaking up the incredible rooftop views, we can continue our exploration of the city and conclude the evening with a lively karaoke session at a local bar. I want to take a quick second to thank our sponsor, Cruiser Travels. Cruiser Travels makes trips like this possible with discounted group rates, exclusive perks, only provided by Cruiser Travels' knowledgeable and service-focused agents committed to sourcing the best deals in the industry. They won't be beat. Tell them Travel Vida sent you for an extra gift. The link is in the description below. Our culinary journey continued the following day, where we savored incredible Mediterranean cuisine and stumbled upon a fantastic shopping center during our city exploration.
All right, Les, where are we going?
Vamos a un show de flamenco, justo hay como un teatro al frente de nuestro hotel, entonces vamos a ver qué tal.
All right, let's check it out. So we're doing one of our favorite things and having some food and drinks right out here on the terraza outside the restaurant. But you can do this in so many places and the view is spectacular. So probably, as a lot of you know, people here in Spain in general, but also Madrid in particular, they go out really late. So they get started at like midnight and that's when they eat as well. So what's really fun is, especially this time of year, I mean, we're here in April and the weather is absolutely beautiful and not too hot, not too cold. You can sit outside on a patio and have drinks and food, people watch, converse, and that's a very popular thing to do here. So we're enjoying it, we're soaking up the scenery. All right, so getting ready to watch the game.
A la Madrid.
So we got kicked out of an Irish pub because they were taking all the tables and they wanted everybody to stand up. So here we are at another place. We got a table.
Better place, signal at least.
We have cell phone signal, so yeah, we just have to buy food in order to stay here. Go right, go right. All right, sad to say, but this is our last day in Madrid. We're heading out tomorrow to go to Rome. Jeremy, what's our last stop today?
All right, so we have a few beautiful places to visit today. A few museums, fountains, so let's go.
Awesome, let's go check them out. Thanks to Jeremy, we can see a little bit more, and he's helping us out, so we're grateful for him. He's done a great job with showing us around, and we've had some fun along the way too. So Jeremy, where are we going here?
So this is Prado Museum. It's actually one of the biggest and most important museums in Europe. It was actually ordered to be a science museum first, but then later changed its course due to order by the king. So a lot of very well-known artists such as Goya. So we actually see a statue somewhere around here from Goya.
Jeremy, what do we have here?
So this is Puerta de Alcalá, one of the ancient access doors to Madrid. It was actually built in 1778 in commemoration to Charles III receiving the king's crown.
Oh, nice.
Hi guys, so we're here at the beautiful Retiro Park. It was actually ordered to be built by King Philip IV for a place for him to enjoy, but it was later on just used as a public park. It has beautiful fountains, statues, a crystal palace, and a few museums in there, and a lot of walking areas to do picnics. Very beautiful.
El Retiro is a huge park in the middle of Madrid, covering 125 hectares or 108 acres and boasting over 15,000 trees. It used to be a royal hangout, but now it's a chill spot for everyone. You can wander around and check out the cool trees, flowers, and sculptures. One of the coolest things about El Retiro is that it's always changing. There are always different events and festivals happening here, so you can always find something new to do. There's a big lake where you can rent boats and paddle around. It's super relaxing, and you might even see some ducks or swans swimming around. If you want to be active, El Retiro is perfect. You can rent a bike and explore the park's winding paths, or just take a walk and enjoy the fresh air. There's also playgrounds, sports areas, and even outdoor fitness equipment if you're feeling sporty. There's also a bunch of really cool historical stuff in the park. The Crystal Palace is a really old glass building that used to be for plant shows.
House of Glass might be more appropriate, but hey, we'll take it.
Now it's like a mini museum where you can see different art exhibits. And if you're into space and stars, you can check out the Royal Observatory. Overall, El Retiro is a great place to hang out. It's beautiful, peaceful, and there's always something to do. Whether you're looking to relax, learn something new, or just have some fun, El Retiro is the perfect place to be.
This place makes me wish that we got out here to this park earlier. Sad this is our last day here. It's amazing how quickly 9 days go. So I had to do a little work on this trip, and I was under the weather for a couple days. Sometimes travel does that to you, but beautiful place. Lots to see, a little bit of wildlife, make some new friends, especially if you have bread.
All right, fam, that's a wrap on this Travel Vida adventure. Madrid was totally worth the 9.5-hour flight. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like and a comment, and tell us about your favorite part of the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on our next European adventure. A huge shout out to our friend Jeremy for showing us the best of the city. Thanks for watching, and happy travels.